Today we're going to install a earth thermal storage system made by Thermaray. What it is a Teflon coated nichrome wire embedded in sheetrock, and this sheetrock keeps the wires pre-spaced and it makes it easy for installation. Every panel has two wires coming out the ends of the panel. So what we do is the wires come out where the label's at here. So we want to take a non-sharp edge and break the paper, get the wires out of the panel. There's two wires, a black and a red, and those are our lead wires. They go to our heating element wires. To make our connection, they simply just slip over the 12 gauge USE direct bury wire. It's a double tumbler connection, so we put the feed wire into that window, close down with alignment pliers, and that's our connection. After we've completed wiring a circuit, we have to ohm test and make sure everything is hooked up properly so that it'll run once you get the sand and the concrete over the top. Once you get a good ohm reading, then you can close up the connection cover. So we put the connections directly in the center, wires coming out the end, close that up, and now you have a completely waterproof connection. There's a fastener line where it shows you can put a screw safely without hitting any of the wires. Make sure you hit the line when you put the screw in to hold the strap in place. And you're done.
A Thermaray representative will help you determine what you will need for your project, whether it's a small addition or a 100,000 square foot manufacturing facility. The quantity of heating panels required for any space varies depending on things such as R values, windows, doors, dimensions, and actually how you want to use the space. Once all the gel caps are in place, 6 to 8 inches of sand is placed over the top of the heating panels. That can be compacted and it's ready for concrete.
And you'll have a floor heating system that'll last through the life of your building.
Please feel free to contact us directly anytime at 1-800-506-7973.